Hello everyone and welcome to a new video. We will be solving some problems and questions about electrical current. Let's start with this first question here. It says that a charge of 10 columns flows through an electrical circuit in 5 seconds. What is the current in the circuit? And we can see that we have the following choices. Actually, it's very simple. The current is equal to charge divided by time. So we have the charge. The charge is 10 columns and the time is 5 seconds. So it's simply 10 divided by 5, which is equal to 2 amperes. So it's clear that the answer here is B. Question number 2. How can 1 volt also be expressed? We said that, or we learned before that, if we give 1 column 1 joule of energy, we will have 1 volt. So let's see what choices do I have. So it's column per ampere, column per joule, joule per ampere, and joule per column. Remember, the best definition to what we know is D, because we said that if we have 1 column and we give this 1 column 1 joule, it will give us a volt, or the potential difference in other words. Okay? Third question. A charge of 45 columns flows through an electrical appliance in 3 minutes. What is the average current in the appliance? Okay, it is very, very important. We said that the current is equal to the charge divided by time. So it's pretty straightforward. Actually, there's a very small trick here. The time is in minutes. Remember, we said that time must be in seconds and the charge must be in columns. So we will have to transform 3 minutes into seconds. So the answer will be 45 columns divided by 3 multiplied by 60, because 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. And this will give us the answer 0.25 amperes. And we can see that it is choice A. Final question. If 20 multiplied by 10 to the power 19 electrons transferred through an electrical current in 10 seconds, what is the current in the circuit? Okay, we know that the current is equal to charge, which is Q, divided by time. But this time we don't have Q in columns. We have Q in electrons. But we learned before that 1 column is equal to 6 million electrons, which is the same as 6 multiplied by 10 to the power 18. So if we transform the 20 multiplied by 19 electrons and we want to know how many columns is that equal to, we can say that 20 multiplied by 10 to the power 19 divided by 6 multiplied by 10 to the power 18. This will be the same as, we lose the 18 here with the 19. We will have here 10 to the power 1, which is 10. So it's 200 divided by 6. Okay? 200 divided by 6 is equal to 33.3. And the unit is columns in this case. So now we have the charge Q. Q, which is the number of columns, was transformed from the number of electrons to number of columns, and this gave us the answer of 33.3. Now, divided by time. Let's make sure that time is in seconds. Yes, it is in seconds. So 33.3 divided by 10, we will have an answer equal to 3.3 amperes. Let's see our choices. We're supposed to choose the best choice. So the closest choice to our answer is A, which is 3.2 amperes. These are some simple questions. Actually, we will be talking more in details about these questions when we learn how to deal with other types of circuits. We will see that in next videos, so stay tuned.